What if you could learn just one skill in 2026 that could completely change your future? Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry. Companies are paying record salaries, and millions of traditional jobs are evolving. In this video, I'll show you the best AI and tech skills to learn in 2026 that can help you build a high-income career, freelance online, or even start your own business. AI isn't replacing everyone. Instead, people who know how to use AI are replacing those who don't. Companies now want professionals who can automate tasks, analyze data, build AI tools, and solve real business problems. That's why learning future-ready skills is more valuable than ever. The number one skill is AI engineering. AI engineers build intelligent systems like ChatGPT, recommendation engines, AI assistants, and computer vision applications. To become an AI engineer, learn Python, machine learning, deep learning, large language models, prompt engineering, and AI agents. This is one of the highest paying careers of 2026. Every business is under constant cyber attack. Cybersecurity experts protect companies from hackers, ransomware, and data theft. Learning ethical hacking, penetration testing, cloud security, and digital forensics can open doors to high-paying jobs around the world. Software development remains one of the safest long-term careers. Learn Python, JavaScript, React, FastAPI, Django, SQL, Docker, GitHub, and cloud computing. Businesses will always need websites, mobile apps, and enterprise software. Data is the new oil. Data scientists analyze millions of records to help businesses make smarter decisions. Learn Python, SQL, statistics, Pandas, Power BI, Tableau, and machine learning to enter this growing field. Almost every modern company now stores data in the cloud. Cloud engineers build secure and scalable systems using AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Cloud computing works perfectly alongside AI and cybersecurity. Prompt engineering has become one of the fastest growing AI skills. Businesses need experts who can automate work using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, AI agents, and workflow automation tools. This skill can also help freelancers earn online. Technology isn't only about coding. Companies also need UI and UX designers who create beautiful, user-friendly apps and websites. Learning Figma, user research, and interface design can lead to excellent freelance and remote opportunities. The future belongs to people who continuously learn new skills. If I had to choose only 3 skills in 2026, I would pick AI engineering, cybersecurity, and software development because they offer strong career growth, high salaries, and global opportunities. Start learning today. Build real projects, create a portfolio, and stay consistent. One skill can completely change. Helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI, technology, and career videos.